In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a team member in AWeber. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can quickly and confidently manage your team access without any confusion. First, make sure you're signed in and that you have the right permissions to manage users. Typically, you'll need to be the account owner or have admin level access. If you don't see the options I mentioned, it usually means your role doesn't allow changes to team members, or your plan may not include team management. From your AWeber dashboard, head to your profile area, which you'll find in the bottom left corner of the screen. It might show your initials, a small avatar, or a profile icon. Click that to open the account menu. This is where AWeber keeps account level controls and settings, including your user management tools. Next, click on Users. This opens the page where all team members associated with your account are listed. Take a moment to scan the list and identify the person you want to remove. You can scroll through the list or use any available search or filter options to narrow it down. Double-check the member's name and role so you're sure you're selecting the right person, especially if multiple users have similar names. Once you've found the correct team member, look to the right side of their row for the triple dot icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click that icon to reveal the available actions for that user. These menus are designed to keep the page clean and place the most important tools right where you need them. From the menu that appears, click Remove. This action revokes that user's access to your AWeber account, and it typically takes effect right away. Your lists, messages, and automations remain intact. You're only removing the person's ability to log in and make changes. If you ever need to work with them again, you can invite them back later, but for now, their access will be closed. If you don't see the user's option, the triple dot icon, or the remove action, try refreshing the page, confirming your role permissions, or checking whether you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. Those small checks often resolve what looks like a missing button. And that's it. Profile in the bottom left, Open Users, find the member, click the triple dot icon, and select Remove. Keep this workflow in mind whenever your team changes to maintain a secure and streamlined account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.